All right, let's look at the homework 8.1, problem number 4. All right, so we're gonna find the arc length of this graph of this function from x going from 0 to pi over 6. All right, so first let's find the derivative. So we're gonna find the dy over dx, which is equal to, all right, so derivative natural log of secant of x is secant x on the bottom, and take the derivative of that, put it on top, so secant of x times tangent of x. Right? So we can cancel secant of x here on top and the secant x on the bottom. So this is going to be tangent of x. Right? So the integrand is going to be square root of 1 plus dy over dx squared, which is tangent squared of x, and which is square root of secant squared of x, which is the using the trig identity. So you just get secant of x, right? So the arc length L is going to be simply integral of from 0 to pi over 6 and the secant of x dx, right? And this is going to be, right, we know how to find the antiderivative of secant of x, so it's a natural log of absolute value of secant of x plus tangent of x all right, then going from 0 to pi over 6, right? Then we just have to plug in a pi over 6, so let's plug it in. Let's say I'm going to go down here, right? All right, pi over 6, so you have a natural log of absolute value, right? Secant of pi over 6, so we have to think, let's see, cosine of pi over 6 would be square root of 3 over 2, and a reciprocal, that would be 2 over square root of 3, right? All right, and the tangent of pi over 6 would be, let's see, so it's 1 over square root of 3. So plus 1 over square root of 3, right? Minus, right, natural log of, right, secant of 0. Cosine of 0 is 1. Reciprocal of that is still 1. And tangent of 0 is 0. Right? So we have these guys. Right, this is actually 0 since it's a natural log of 1. Right? Then what we get is this is just a natural log of, right? So 1 plus 2, so it's a 3 over square root of 3, which is just a natural log of 3 divided by square root of 3 is square root of 3. And if you want, you can write it as natural log of 3 to the 1/2. And you can place the 1/2 in front. So it's going to be natural log of 3 over 2, right? All right, so let's type it in. All right, we got natural log of 3, 3 over 2, all right? Let's submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.